Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to show you today a very cool tool. It's totally free tool that Facebook basically allow user to surf. It's called Facebook Ad Library, and you can surf it and you can digit www.facebook.com/ads/library, and this page is again total free to use, and it's great when it's about checking what other companies are doing in terms of ads. So for instance, with this search bar, you can search whatever kind of topic, organization, or name of a page of a company that you like to understand if they're running any ads at all. So today I'm going to show you a few examples and how it works. Let's say that I'm a sport property and I like to check whatever kind of advertisement the NBA, for instance, is doing with the new NBA TV. I need to make sure that I will check the right countries. NBA TV is available in US, as you can see, and here are all the advertisements that they are running right now. You can see that they are doing video ads of 15 seconds each with a very short text on top. In this case is clearly the installation of the app of NBA League Pass, and I can see all the copies and text and videos that's been uploaded so far. I can check, for instance, the Major League Soccer and see what kind of advertisement they are running. I can also see how much they are spending here at the top on the right hand side. They're spending a little bit more than $3,000 so far since May 2018, so not too much money. And they are mainly advertised merchandising, as you can see. They are advertising the gamings as well that they are deploying. And then I can serve different other sector. Let's say that I'm in the political. You know that in UK, for instance, there are going to be the general election on the 12th of December. So here is how much advertisement campaigns they are doing the Tories, the Conservative Party, and here are all the ads that are currently running. As you can see, every party, and you will see now, has a different kind of communication campaign. There are parties that are more focused on their own, topics, and other parties that are more, focusing on discrediting the other counterpart. So if we see the Labour Party, that is the potential second party in UK. As you can see, the campaign is now focusing on the free prescription for all. So the NHS, Liberal Democrats. Again, you can see how the campaign start to be more aggressive from every angle, and how, for instance, both the Conservative Party and the Liberal Democrats are rolling out a lot of video ads rather than classic posts with picture. The video ads are normally much more likely to engage rather than the simple posts. But let's see, for instance, in Italy. In Italy, the situation is quite, let's say, complicated. Let's see what the Lega Nord, Matteo Salvini party is running. As you can see, there are some probably regional election in the next days, and they are sponsoring different kind of posts. But let's see how much they're spending. The right hand side, the total amount spent by the party of Matteo Salvini only from May 2019 to the 9th of November 2019 has been of 162,000 euros. In the last, let's say, 6 days, they spent more than 700 euros. Now let's go to Partito Democratico, that is theoretically the second party in Italy, and they spent almost 150,000 euros in total, so not too far from what Lega Nord has been spent so far since March 2019. But in the last 7 days they didn't spend any money. You can see here anyway some campaigns that are still running. But it is very interesting to see how the communication department of each companies or political party are working on Facebook ads. And now let's switch to Movimento 5 Stelle, that is another quite big party in Italy, and see how much they spent so far. They spent less than 50,000 euros. They are not spending nothing in the last 7 days. And as you can see, most of the campaigns are inactive. Now if I switch to another smaller party like Fratelli d'Italia, so I like to see how much they spent. So they spent around 33,000 euros. The last 7 days they didn't spend anything, and you can see that most of the campaigns are inactive. And then finally the steel party of Forza Italia, Berlusconi, they spent 40,000 euros since May 2019, and here the inactive campaigns that have been run during the European election back in end of May. So again, this is a very cool tool, guys. So if you want to spy your competitors, or if you want to understand what other companies are investing in terms of Facebook ads and how much money they are investing in Facebook ads, this ad library can give you a lot of answer. Hope you find it interesting. If you like this kind of video, if you want to know more, if you want to watch more, just like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.